to my channel. If you guys are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Wait, you hit it? You got it? But anyway, today, so we officially been in an apartment for like a week or two. So the bathroom is kind of looking a little, so I gotta make sure I clean it. And you guys seen that in my last video, I went to Target and I bought a bunch of cute stuff for the bathroom. So I'm gonna clean it down really good and put all the stuff that I bought. And I'm gonna just take you guys and show you guys everything that I'm doing. So right now, it's not like really messy, but it's just like a week's worth of like mess. So I want to clean everything good, and then I'm gonna show you. Yes, guys, this is Andrew's shelf, and this is my shelf. And I didn't even put everything out yet, so I know he's more into his skincare and all that stuff than I am. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring everything. I'm gonna wipe down everything, bring out all the products, and try to clean this place as best as I can and show you all the things that I got. All right, so tune in. All right, so I just finished cleaning the shelf over the toilet, and I cleaned the toilet. So all of that is done. And I guess I had just as much stuff as Andrew, but no, he got stuff in the room too. But yeah, I feel like I don't want to put anything else on here because I don't want to overcrowd it. And it's bad enough that you got to walk in the bathroom and see all this stuff. But I don't know what else to do. And I don't want to put anything on the top because I don't want it to look tacky. Well, technically, I have storage that I could use in here. I never put anything in here. Oh, damn. This man don't miss a beat, yo. All right, I guess I can't use that. He be so quick. But yeah. I'm gonna start working on the sink now and just put some of the decorative things and clean this down and wipe that down and show you. And yes, I have a Google in my bathroom. Hey Google, what's today's date?
It is Friday, July 3rd, 2020.
Yes, she got a little accent, I had to make her a little fancy. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on the sink area and then I'll show you guys that. All right, so the sink area is clean. It's really clean. I decided to move the Google up there because I wanted to have my little decorative piece. I remember when I got this from Target. Y'all better like it. I paid $14.99 for this. Look at y'all. Isn't she cute? But yeah, I cleaned the sink part already, and now I guess I'm gonna start the tub, the shower. We got this little rack so that we could have things a little bit more accessible when we're in the shower. Yeah, so my spoofy, my icy moisture, because I always use that while I'm in the shower. And I guess whatever we build up. I probably shouldn't have left this behind here, but that seems like a lot of work to do, to pour the dish soap in there. So I guess next time I go to Target, I'll just buy like a big gallon and then I'll just refill it like that. But she gonna stay back here for now. It's gonna stay right there. But yeah, so now I'm gonna just work on the shower part and then I'll show you guys that when I'm done. All right, so I finished cleaning out the shower, sink, and now I put the curtain up that I bought. But I really feel like I should have got something that wasn't a cloth material because I don't know, it's kind of clothy. I don't know. I'll probably change it eventually, but this is gonna work for now because putting this up was no joke. And I also think I should have gotten gold instead of silver, but I already had these, and you know, I was trying to save a little dollar, but you know, I got the gold here, so I might as well have the gold up there. So maybe I'll switch that out. I don't know yet. Did I ever show you guys the light in my shower? It's a little light. Oh, wait, hold on. Ain't that cute? But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this, but it's gonna stay for now because I already got it up there. But this, I feel like it doesn't, the silver and the gold, but I'm sure it's not that serious. But I may eventually get some gold hooks. But that was really an arm workout, like hook lift, hook lift, hook lift. It was a workout, so I'm not doing that again for a while, so it's gonna have to stay. So now I'm gonna Swiffer my floors and put my mat down, because like I said, this is just a small little clean with me video. I don't really have that much stuff. I'm trying to make sure that my bathroom doesn't look too cluttered, and I already feel like it's looking cluttered. So I'm gonna Swiffer the floors, and then I'm gonna put the mat down. And it's just a small mat that I got, but I'm gonna put that down. I got my little green towel up, and yeah, be right back. Guys, the Swiffer I must have had in my house must have been real old, because I did not know they come with lights now. Wow, that one I had was old and tired, because this is real fancy and cute. But yeah, just cleaning the floors. I just wanted to show y'all that feature. Y'all probably already know about that, and I'm just probably just late. What a shame. What a shame. But I'm gonna finish these floors up, get them nice and clean, and then I'm gonna show you how my little mat that I got looks with it, okay? BRB. I also want to get some decorative art, but I took this picture from my old apartment, and I'm gonna just place it up there for now. Which I think it's okay being up there. I don't have a nail or nothing, and I'm not gonna attempt to try to put it on the wall. I'll just wait for Andrew, but I probably should get something that goes with the colors, like green and orange. But it can stay up there for now. I feel like it's cute. Cute little picture. Andrew did not want me to bring these pictures here. I don't know why. That's a nice picture. I got that. I bought this picture probably like 8 years ago from IKEA, and I think I spent $30 for it, and I still love them. I still love it. Do you guys love my new plate set? I got it from Overstock, and I'm just like in love. Like, that's how I know I'm old. These things excite me now. It's so, I really wanted like a marble looking plate set, but I did wanted it to be square, but I just felt like all the square sets wasn't really affordable, so I got this, and I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god. I also want to get some decorative art, but I took this picture from my old apartment, and I'm gonna just place it up there for now. Which I think it's okay being up there. I don't have a nail or nothing, and I'm not gonna attempt to try to put it on the wall. I'll just wait for Andrew, but I probably should get something that goes with the colors, like green and orange. But it can stay up there for now. I feel like it's cute. Cute little picture. Andrew did not want me to bring these pictures here. I don't know why. That's a nice picture. I got that. I bought this picture probably like 8 years ago from IKEA, and I think I spent $30 for it, and I still love them. I still love it.